Hello YouTube, it's me, TGT. It's another wet and windy Sunday, so I thought I'd play a bit of Slap Fight. I mentioned this on Retro Realms live stream last night. He was doing an Amiga live stream and I says, he got Slap Fight on the Amiga. To be honest, I couldn't remember if it was an Amiga game. I assumed it was, but he couldn't find it, so I thought I'd play it on the Commodore 64 because that's what I'm familiar with. So let's go. Just pressing space to select what I want. I think I'll have music and sound effects. Let's go. I will say I'm terrible at this game. But you know, it's one to play. We played it back in the day quite a lot. It was really good. It's just the whole speed thing. Gets me. I've not got the response times needed to play this game. I'll go with speed. So, as with certain shooters, you've got the bars on the bottom with your power-ups. You collect the stars. For each star you collect, it'll add to your power-ups, and whatever one you want to use, you press space on. Oh, I think I went too fast now. I think I went too fast. Oh, selecty. So, not put speed up again. And I will say I'm not very good at sort of shoot 'em ups as it is. They're not my genre, shall we say. So I tend. Oh, I knew the second I moved there I was flying at that bullet. I tend not to play them, is what I'm saying. But they are good games. I do enjoy them occasionally. Oh, should I? Oh, I got killed again. Speed. We dab a speed, speed. Ooh, I'm just gonna try and avoid these bullets now. There we go. Ooh. I think these kind of games especially are a lot easier when you're no! Aren't they crap like me? Is that game over? It is. Let's start that again, eh? They're a lot better when you've got a bit more muscle memory with them. Just don't care about my name. Right, we'll try this again. Oosh. No! You could really do with there being a function on the pad to activate the the power-up thing. Oh, come on, Benny, get me killed, man. Do you know what? I'm getting another bit of speed. We double speed, This is one of these games that would play over and over again as kids. Like I said, we wouldn't get very far, but oh, come on. But we did. We tried. We gave it our best. It's certainly a game worth playing. Oh, balls, I missed the speed. Oh, come on. Asshole. Right, speed, speed. Shoot you, shoot you, shoot you. Shoot you. You're not going to see the first 10 seconds of this game by the looks of it. Do, 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 do. Come on, I need your stars. These are stars, by the way. Oh, Christ on a bike. Right. This is scary. Sides. Graphics are alright for Commodore 64 game. Music's good. You know, it plays alright a bit. I don't know. The controls lack something and I can't tell what it is. I think when you get to the higher speeds, the ship moves too erratically. Maybe something you get used to playing the game, I suppose, but... I'm dead. I knew I was dying sometime soon. Game over. Right, third time lucky. Here we go. Come on, where's the enemies? That was pitiful. That is what we call disgraceful. They're crap at these games, right? I'm shocking at these games. I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm saying. Oh, come on. Jesus. Like I'm saying, that the jump between speeds goes from too slow to slightly too quick. I'd like if there was a middle sort of speed between the ones that I've just went through. Wing damage. Ooh. Should really stay about the middle of the screen, try and knock it. Ah, fuck! Oh, this game is brutal. You're pummeling my arsehole, by the way, game. Give me a sair arse, as they say here in Scotland. So I'm sure the later levels of this game are really good, but you're in the wrong place if you're wanting to know. Ah, fuck it. Right, that's it. That's Slap Fight, or at least the first minute of it. Decent game. A touch hard, I think, or maybe I'm just not really good at these kind of games, but, you know, worth a look. Oosh.